Well, here's a beautiful 2006 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Coupe. Couldn't get a better shine on a car. It just looks absolutely great. This is Monterey Red on the exterior. We love it when they see those Cashmere interiors. And under the hood, you'll find a 400 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features on this car include the $4,795 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. Well, I always tell you this includes heads-up display, memory package, tilt and tele, auto-dimming mirrors, universal garage door transmitter, power, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, compass, Bose, CD XM MP3 stereo system with in-dash CD changer, and it has the Monterey Red tint coat upcharge. It's a beautiful car. Sports the F55 magnetic selective ride control, beautiful polished wheels, HID headlights, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, electric rear hatch pull down, and dual zone electronic climate control as well. Of course, everything on this car is power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, has ABS traction control and active handling. Car comes with a clean Carfax, and as we said, it's loaded with factory options. This car shows just 81,199 miles. The car's paint is in average good condition, has great shine. Factory polished wheels are in overall very good condition, and just a really beautiful car. Look at the pictures here on our website as well. If you'd like to know more about pricing on this car, click the link in the description here, and you'll be able to check in on all the pricing. We're buyavette.net. We're located in Atlanta, Georgia. We always have around 100 Corvettes in stock here on our showroom floor. One of our experienced sales representatives can help you with this car and any one of the other cars that we have in stock. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We ship nationwide. We ship worldwide. We can make delivering this car to you less expensive than you can imagine. Give us a call today at 770-414-5552. We're Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.